Hey, Beginning Orchestra, it was so great to see you guys on Monday. We started out, as we will from here on out, reviewing our concert pieces. We started out with Rolling Along, which is on the bottom of page 8, and then Lightly Row, which is on the bottom of page 9. We are going to rehearse these every single week, so make sure that you know them. Then we reviewed the notes on the A string. If you're not sure how to do those still, look at the video from last week and hopefully that will help. And then we learned our third concert piece. You need to turn a few pages to get there. It's on page 15, and it's called A Mozart Melody. You will know it as Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. The bad news about A Mozart Melody is that they no longer have the names of the notes inside of the notes. I've been warning you about this. The time has come. If you look at the top of page 14, there is a little scale of all the notes we know. I suggest you write down here the names of these notes. They'll start D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and then high D. And of course, this is a viola book, but it will be the same notes. That way you can kind of check back and see what note is what. If you're still having a tough time, a lot of people like to use a pencil and write the names of the notes on top of each one. Please use a pencil though, because I'm hoping that you can erase it eventually and not have to use that as a crutch. But at the beginning, that's totally fine. So I would like you to try to learn a Mozart Melody this week. We have 2 weeks because we do not have practice next week due to Thanksgiving break. If you want more to practice over the break, our last 2 recital songs are on pages 14. It's Old MacDonald and Jingle Bells. If you want to learn one more, I would do Old MacDonald because it's the easier of the 2. Jingle Bells is probably our hardest one. So you don't have to practice those, but just in case you want to. So anyways, I hope you have a wonderful break, and I'll see you guys in a couple weeks.